Today we're in Shiga Prefecture near Kyoto to visit a Japanese potter. His workshop is located in a beautiful park lush with nature. Inside, it's very spacious. There are many unfinished works lined up along the walls, like teapots and teacups. Most of these are utensils for sencha tea ceremonies. And this is the kiln used to finish them up. Ceramics like cups and plates are put inside and then fired at high temperatures. Apart from teacups and plates, other objects like vases are also put on display inside the workshop. The name of the craftsman working here is Tetsunari Ōsawa. Born into a family of potters, he too decided to earn his livelihood with pottery. His occupation means a lot to him, so much indeed that he actually became a sencha tea master just to see how his creations were being used. Let's watch how he creates a teacup now. He starts by applying force to the clay rotating on top of the potter's wheel, slowly shaping it in the process. To prevent differences in size or appearance, he manually adjusts the shape until it matches the other cups. To achieve this, he also uses tools made from wood. Since he is, first and foremost, a potter and not an artist, he sees importance in making the same objects in the same way every day, instead of trying to create something unique each time. This is a tool to measure the cup's depth and width. After checking the cup's shape, he uses the wooden tool to adjust it further and then repeats this process several times. When he is satisfied with the cup's overall appearance, he starts to work on the rim. Carefully, he smoothens it down with a piece of tanned deer hide. Finally, he uses a short string to separate the finished cup from the rest of the clay. When the clay has dried, he uses a metal utensil to shape it even further. Once all unnecessary parts have been scraped off, the cup is finished in its raw state. And that's how a handmade pottery work is shaped from clay. After firing it, it will become a teacup used in sencha tea ceremonies. Today, like every day, Mr. Ōsawa simply continues to make pottery. It was an honor to be able to witness this craftsman's ceaseless, silent, and meticulous work. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also check out our other uploads. Have fun and see you next time!